Hi everyone, let's see how you can fix the autotyping keyboard error in your laptop or desktop PC. Simply right click over the Windows icon and go to Device Manager. From here, expand the keyboard option, right click over this and select Update Driver. Click on Browse, select this option, select the driver and click on Next. After installation, it will ask to restart your PC. Simply click on Yes to restart your Windows. In the next method, again go to Windows icon, right click over it and select Device Manager. Expand the keyboard option, right click over it and select Uninstall Device. Click on Uninstall. Don't worry, when you will restart your PC, it will reinstall the driver back again. However, if you need to use the keyboard, you can simply go to the on-screen keyboard, which you will find under Accessibility and in Windows Ease of Access in Windows 10. So you can use this keyboard to navigate in your PC. So if none of the methods work, become sure that there are some physical damages in the keyboard, so get it replaced, and for the time being you can use an external keyboard. So thanks for watching. Please feel free to subscribe and support the channel. Thank you.